Atlantic hurricane season runs from June to November. So on this Feel Good Friday, Nefril and I are apparently supposed to find items hidden around the set, photo pack, and emergency bag with necessities for the hurricane season.
I think last night it did start for real. The amount of rain will let off.
Bag ain't no bad. Oh, we should just carry a bag and done.
Oh, there's another bag for me to. Oh, this bag.
Okay.
Oh, so I guess I will start by putting this water in.
So what are the things that are in your kit? Water, flashlight, batteries, food, first aid kit.
Yeah.
Matches.
Water, food.
You had to take the banana, eh? Why the banana?
Is you doing yours too, not helping you?
We are working as a team.
Oh, she says it's necessity, so you don't want us to eat that. You just want us to just go until we drop down, because food is not a necessity. So.
Oh my! Where could the water be? I don't see it right out there in the middle of
look at this.
set.
I need...
Oh my!
I need a rain.
What could be happening in this box that has never been on the set before? It is so well hidden.
No, sir.
What does it say? First aid. Wow, Nev.
I was going to tell you who hide it, but then I get myself in trouble.
Christine just put it there a while ago. I saw her while she was putting it on the set.
So we have raincoat, we have water, we have food. We don't have no battery and we don't have no matches. No battery.
Captain Obvious obviously was the one who planted these.
No matches.
Okay.
Your raincoat behind you.
Oh my! What could be behind the...
That's your raincoat. What is this, please?
Nearby bushes.
Yeah.
It is a box of matches.
Oh, I just found my passport.
Oh my! Look at that. Some paper jutting out of the set. It's so normal.
All right, so this is a concert music event. So I guess right now I'm hurricane.
You're gonna watch Chronics in concert.
Oh, look at this. The wonderful and outstanding. It's not such a name.
Is my passport this? Samaruni?
No, but if you put wonderful and outstanding.
How about this? Birth certificate, registrar, birth papers. No.
Name Samaroon. Hold on, I look how the Samaroon is spelled. Sama.
Birthplace in the district of Border. You know, go along Border, you know.
Oh, in the district of Border.
Catch your passport, everybody. Catch your passport. Passport.
What is?
Border.
What is this?
Watch nice girl. Watch hot girl. What we go concert go do? You guys are so idle. The time when you spend making the passport to add something properly.
Wait, no Samaroon.
Matches.
Guess what?
Oh my! What did you find?
Here's my passport.
Oh, Nefril.
But that one has a border too.
You are not moving into my place. Let's see.
Birth in the district of hospital. Actually, that's not true. I was born at 1 Lineral Street in our house.
Lineral?
Lineral Street.
What that there?
Wellington Town.
Oh my!
No, and the hurricane breeze blowing that. We are doing a big onion.
You cook on cold stove?
I was just going to say, nothing for cook. We are doing onion. You eat it raw.
We can't eat corned beef. We're eating tin things, but we can't eat corned beef without.
So why I come from Border and I'm born in the district of hospital?
Because he's a twin. I'm looking for more things. Is there more things for a manager? Oh my!
He's an idiot.
I will not get wet now because I have found my raincoat.
But I find mine long time. I would lend you mine, honey.
But the two of us cannot fit in there, darling. Oh my!
What is sardine? Look what I found.
That's why I took up the onion, because Chuba will have to cut up some onion and some. We already have the other provisions.
I'm not lie.
To eat. Thank God for this raincoat, because
this before 2026.
That's how canned goods. That's why they
advise
you. Of course, it's good. It's perfectly good.
All right, hold on now.
This, I want to tell you, our studio code, this is helping me very muchly right now.
Sim, ball out, oh my.
Oh my!
Look what I found.
But wait, so we wrap the tuna.
Yeah.
But apparently we're good with the... All right.
So this say by October 2025.
Stop looking at the expiry date. Oh my. Oh my.
We find again.
Nothing.
We are bad out this time, pa.
Made it just feel like say it.
No, in this thing, yeah. Same.
Hey!
Hey, oh my.
Oh my.
Hold on, take back that oh my there.
Oh my.
When me are doing that screwdriver? When me are doing this screwdriver?
Well, shouldn't case, well, this a screw is loose in your head is the first
No,
thing, so you can use it for that.
Damn.
Or,
Oh my, you look nice. No, oh Sim, ball out oh my again. Ball out no. Come on Sim man, I can't show it to the same.
oh my!
We have.
We have found some plate.
Yes.
You should also put this in there.
Monique, what you said the screwdriver is for? Oh, we are to determine if it is necessary or not.
You never know what you might need it for in a hurricane.
Sim, one more oh my.
Oh, yes. That is definitely a oh yes. Also, oh my. A plastic bag is needed for all your passport and other necessities. Never put on your raincoat.
Yeah, me I'll cry.
Oh my. Put on your raincoat. You have to be prepared.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going outside.
Put on your raincoat.
No, honey, I'm not going outside.
In the event that the rain starts to fall, you must be
Yeah, but rain can't.
Oh my!
Rain inside the
The
house.
rain is, if your house have hole in the roof, it's highly possible. How do you prevent yourself from getting wet? You must
Wait, honey.
be proactive in your approach. So you put this on to go to bed, should in case that the water catch into from your roof top.
Yeah, you have a look through the window.
See, look here. See, oh my! Guys,
Sim, no, Sim. You have to say oh my one more time.
oh my! What? Oh my, what is that?
A blanket.
Thank you, Dominique. Here is cold. Oh my. Oh my. That's gotta be it. Is there anything else?
Oh
my. Thanks for coming, everybody.